I meander the roads in the morning, making my way through the cycle I've placed myself, and I see beautiful young ladies waiting for the bus, waiting, waiting to not be taught how to make it, waiting in tight clothing, putting themselves on display. I know what you're doing. I did it too. I knew what you know. No one told me better, but I'm here to tell you there's more. And more requires your brain, not your hips, your waist, or the gap between your thighs. It requires that unlimited resource behind your eyes.